6 machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng. Jatend jolweny manyien General Francis Ogolla ochamo muma madonje apisi ayanga kawuono. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto noidho Ogolla e ngas mar tend jolweny nyoro bang' kane duol mochung'ne chenro mag jolweny chwalo nyinge ne lemono. Ogolla nochamo muma e kar jot mar jatend piny ma Nairobi okinyi ma kawuono kaachiel kod jalupne Lieutenant General Jonah Mwangi. E nyasi no ero jatend piny Kenya William Ruto nopuoyo tij jatend lweny madhi e rutaya Robert Kibochi kokwayo jatelo manyien mondo imiyo oket maino e bero bad migawo mar lweny e pacho ka.
Service, not just to congratulations on your
and dignity of the people of Kenya, that I will diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya.
My very best wishes. And as you take up your other responsibilities in retirement, in considering your appointment, I assessed your background, where you've come from, what you have done, your journey in the military, and I am satisfied that you merit the office. You have my confidence. You have the confidence of the government of Kenya to discharge your responsibilities in your new office. It is my expectation that the professional standard of the Kenyan military will be observed under your leadership. Kenya has a tradition of a military that is professional, that is outstanding, that has integrity, and that serves not just the people of Kenya, but our region and the globe.